Did you know that WhatsApp also allows you to lock your chats as well? If you didn't, then you're in the right place, as we're going to explore locked chats inside WhatsApp. Let's first start with locking individual chats in WhatsApp. If you have a conversation that is better hidden, then this feature is just the thing for you. To do that, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now select the chat that you want to lock. Tap on the contact name at the top. Now scroll down and select Chat Lock. You will be asked to confirm using your Face ID or passcode. Do note that WhatsApp won't lock the chat on your linked devices. Now that we have locked individual chats, we can also enable Group Chats Lock in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Select the group chat that you want to be locked. Tap on the group chat name at the top. Scroll down and select Chat Lock. You will be asked to confirm using your Face ID or passcode. To access these locked chats, you just need to swipe down from the top to reveal the Locked Chats folder. You can select it to see all your locked chats and group chats. Here's how to disable the chat lock. In the Locked Chats folder, select the chat that you wish to unlock. Tap on the group chat name or contact name at the top. Scroll down, tap the toggle again to disable the chat lock. You will be asked to validate the same using Face ID or passcode. Once done, your selected chat will get unlocked. That's it! If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.